What up, y'all? So we still quarantined, so we got some time to play around. So got a spare set of mirrors that's been laying around for forever. This is when did I get this? My car had got hit a couple years back, and then they repainted it, and I didn't like how they did it, overspray and all of that. So I ended up getting another mirror to replace this one that they did, which is over here. So yeah, and then this actually had the texture that I needed to match the rest of the car. So this is just a bad deal altogether when they fix my car. So I got this. I got another mirror from like a junkyard or something that's been laying around. So we're gonna try a different design for some signal mirrors, something a little more simple than the Benz light that I did in the last one some years back. So yeah, we're gonna try some new stuff. All right, I'm back. So Both mirrors are cut. Uh, Sanded them down, just the part where I cut with some 80 grit. Went over everything else with wet sanded with some 400 just to get it kind of smooth so I can get an idea of what I'm working with. But they're cut. So now this is the piece that I cut out, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay it on some of this plexiglass and kind of just trace around it, and then press this down so it'll be flat all the way across, because it's not gonna be a straight line that's got to be cut. But I'm gonna trace this out, cut it with my Dremel, and after that, once I get the little piece cut out, I'm gonna cut it a little bit bigger than this. Cut that out. I'm gonna heat it up with this heat gun, and it should be enough for me to kind of bend it a little bit. So if it works out right, I put it on the inside of this, kind of curve it down to fit the shape of the mirror. And if that works, glue it in place. Or once it fits, I'm either gonna scuff this up, sanding it, or I'm putting some of this on it, which is some frosted vinyl light overlay. So I bought it for some tail lights I was gonna do. I ended up doing something different. So I'm gonna use that, put the vinyl on here to kind of mask it up a little bit. That way when the light shines, it'll scatter through without being like one direct LED line showing up. So hopefully that'll work, the combination. But I'm gonna go ahead and trace this plexiglass out, cut it, and then we're gonna try to heat it up and see if we can bend it to shape. Alright, so good news, bad news. Good news, driver's side turned out pretty much perfect. So again, it's gonna go on the inside like so and fit like that. So that's good. Bad news, which really isn't bad, but this side came out almost to an exact size, which I needed to overlap just a little bit to fit behind it. So I gotta recut this piece, but I got more plexus. It's not the only piece I got, so I got a whole nother sheet over here. So it's no problem. I just gotta cut another piece, but once I get the other piece cut, then I should be good, and then I can test out the heat and see if I can heat it up good enough to bend it how it needs to be and kind of shape it in place. So yeah. so everything is primed. Gonna let this dry for the night. Still gotta do some sanding. I got a couple runs in a few spots, but nothing major. Where are they? Yeah, so I got a few runs in there. So let this dry tonight and come back tomorrow, sand some of that down, shoot it with a little bit more, and then I'll be ready to. I'm just gonna paint them black, just kind of basic, go on anything, but yeah. And then I'll be ready to put the little lenses on there. And there's some switchback strips I had before, but I'm not going to do the switchback part because I don't have the ends on both of them. I ended up using them on something else. And I think one of these doesn't work anyway, so the yellow part works. So that's all I need it for the signal. So I'll go ahead and mount that in there tomorrow once everything is dry and together and sort of looking decent. But that's it for the night. So check back in tomorrow.